Dear students, today I am going to show some examples which are related to exam pattern. So the upside these three examples here: C6 H12O6. This when C6 H12O6 means this glucose atom decomposes into ethyl alcohol C2H5OH and liberates CO2. Next ammonia. Next ammonia. Ammonia reacts with chlorine gas Cl2. Chlorine gas, it liberates nitrogen gas N2 and ammonium chloride salt. Next, when sodium is a metal, when sodium metal reacts with water, it forms sodium hydroxide NaOH base and liberates hydrogen gas. So exact pattern they won't give none in the examination. They will ask in words. In the word form they will ask. You can watch downside. See, A. Downside, balance the following chemical equations. In A, when calcium hydroxide reacts with nitric acid, when calcium hydroxide reacts with nitric acid, it forms calcium nitrate and water. So write the equation in shortest form and balance it. Like that they will ask. Next, one more example: magnesium. When magnesium reacts with iodine, when magnesium reacts with iodine, what product will be formed? Write the chemical equation and balance it. So for that question you have to write magnesium solid, iodine solid. When magnesium reacts with iodine, it will forms magnesium iodide. Magnesium iodide. You can see downside. See, calcium hydroxide. First example, calcium hydroxide plus nitric acid. You have to write like this: calcium hydroxide CaOH2 taken by plus 2 HNO3. We already balanced nitric acid HNO3 gives rise to calcium nitrate. Calcium nitrate. Calcium nitrate. Calcium nitrate. This one, calcium nitrate. So you have to write this like CaOH2 plus 2 HNO3 nitric acid gives rise to water and calcium nitrate. So these are the related questions to exam pattern. So you have to learn these chemical equations in words and in shortest form, in formulas also. So carefully learn. Students, one more important topic is finding out molecular weight. In previous classes I have shown periodic table. So in these elements there, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, like that. If you observe carefully, total periodic table based on this pattern. See, H symbol here. H relates a symbol. I mean, it indicates a symbol H for hydrogen. Its atomic number. See, atomic number means its number, its serial number, atomic number 1, and atomic weight. See, atomic weight downside, bottom of the 1, downside 1.008, it is atomic weight. So in letters, this hydrogen relates, it indicates which one. So this hydrogen full form is here hydrogen. H means hydrogen, name here, downside name, top side symbol. The next step is atomic number, third step is atomic weight, fourth step is hydrogen, its name. Suppose I will pick randomly one, suppose chromium. In previous classes I already said chromium, it's a alloy metal which is used to mix with another metal to make a strong metal. So your cycle handle which is in silver color. So chromium, see, Cr means chromium, bottom side chromium, 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 its full name. And second step 24, atomic number. Third one, atomic weight 52. So how can we find out atomic weight and molecular weight? Suppose you know hydrogen gas. Suppose how to find out hydrogen gas weight? H2. What is the atomic weight of the hydrogen? 1. So 1 into, how many hydrogens there? 2 hydrogens. So 1 into 2 equal to 2 AMU or 2U. Here AMU means just like measurements. Suppose for weight we will use kgs, for length meters. Next, students, here AMU means AMU. So to know about AMU, first of all we have in general, for measuring purpose, for measuring weight purpose, for normal unit or normal word we will use in daily life kgs, 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kgs. But small kgs, small weight means we will use grams. Normal weight means kgs. More weight means we will use quintals. Some more weight means heavy weight means tons. But for measuring very smallest unit of mass means AMU, atomic mass unit. This is for measuring the mass of atoms, only atoms. Atoms are already very smallest, that is the very smallest part. So to measure that we will use AMU, atomic mass unit. In simply AMU, U, just you can write just U, unified mass. In place of AMU you can write just U. So how can we write to AMU or U? Just we will go for one example. In the periodic table, the vertical column, this one, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, these are the alkali metals. You can use any metal. Next, in this one more thing, in this except hydrogen all are metals, alkali metals. In second column, beryllium, magnesium, from beryllium to top, beryllium, and bottom element is radium. So these are alkali earth metals. So you can suppose best known element is calcium. So what is the atomic number? 20. What is the weight of the calcium? 40. You can use calcium also. Suppose calcium, Ca, one minute. We can use calcium. What is the atomic weight of the calcium? Atomic number 20, atomic weight 40. So calcium weight 40. Suppose if you take any metal, beryllium, some more metals, right side, sodium. Okay, left side take sodium. Sodium metal, atomic number 11, weight is 22.99. So if you round up points, 22.99 means its weight is 23. Iron, best metal, iron rods, so iron bars like that. So iron, if you take single atom, its weight is 55.85. Means we will take 56. 55.85 means we will take 56. Next, carbon metal. Best known metal, carbon metal. What is the weight of the carbon metal? 12. Its atomic number 6, weight is 12. Suppose in CO2, carbon atomic weight 12 plus how many oxygens there? 2 oxygens there. 1 oxygen weight is 16. In previous classes I said, in previous I said already 16. 1 oxygen weight, 1 oxygen atom weight is 16. 2 there here. Oxygen, O2, 2 oxygen 2 oxygen atoms there. So 12, 16, 16, 32, 32 plus 2, 34 plus 10, 44. So here total weight of CO2, one CO2 molecule is 44 AMU or 44 U, unified mass. So you can try with another any examples at your home. So this is the today topic.